Hello everyone. So here in our previous class, we learned about PHP basics. So today let's start with the next step. We will now run our first PHP program using our Visual Studio Code. So before we start, make sure you have the following installed. That is our Visual Studio and our PHP that has to be installed in your system. And the third is XAMPP or WAMP, which is optional for server side. And these tools will help us write and execute PHP programs easily. So now let us install PHP first, downloading the PHP from the official website, that is http php.net downloads. And after downloading, extract the folder, add PHP path to the environment variables. To check the installation, open terminal and type php-v. If version is displayed, PHP is installed correctly. So next what we want is Visual Studio Code. So now we have this XAMPP control panel. So I just started the XAMPP control panel 2 here. And next that we want is VS Code. So now open VS Visual Studio Code. Click on folder, create a new file, save it as of your own option. So this all has to be saved inside XAMPP. So I'm just saving it inside XAMPP. Maybe I'm saving it here inside XAMPP, htdocs. I'm creating a folder called PHP 2026. So this I'm opening in my VS Code. So I have opened in my VS Code as PHP 2026. I'm creating a new file called as hello.php. The file has got created here. And this file we are going to run in the web browser, in the local host, that is in localhost PHP 2026. So this is where we have saved our program. And next I'm just going to type, I can type anything here, maybe even an HTML code, like I'm just giving a heading. Inside heading I would like to give hello, closing my heading tag, hello PHP maybe, which has to get displayed. So whatever I'm writing it here, I'm just opening in my hello PHP, so it is displaying here. So you can also change here as welcome introduction class. So when I refresh here, it has to get refreshed. I'm just saving it here. So welcome to the introduction of PHP. This is how it shows the output that I'm writing it inside the PHP. It has to be given inside .php extension. So let me write the first program as we have seen in our previous session, the basic syntax. I'm just writing my PHP syntax. PHP, maybe I'll write, and I'm writing an echo statement which is used to print the output. Hello students. Ending out with the semicolon and closing my PHP tag. So I'm checking out for the output. So I got my output, hello students. So this is the very basic program that we will see the output as hello students. So for this, the first thing that we have to remember is always save the file with .php extension. Check whether you have installed PHP uh, um, with a code called PHP -v. Use terminal or the exam or the web-based for projects for the quick execution. And here we have executed in exam. So maybe in the next class we will learn about PHP variables and the data types. Thank you.